Subscribe to the Advanced Unboxer channel and watch all latest technology videos by pressing the bell icon. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to the another interesting video on my channel. In this video we are going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S10 colors, chipset and new features. So keep watching this video. My name is Hamza Mukhtar, you are watching Advanced Unboxer, so let's get started. Samsung Galaxy S10 already got us excited, however there is still a lot of mystery surrounding it. For example, Samsung has not announced which kind of chipset will be powering the device, and we don't even know which colors will be available for it. However, it appears that this information will be available sooner than. If you are dying out to find out what will power the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S10, the good news is that you won't have to wait for too long. It appears that Samsung is ready to announce the chipset next week. We got news through a Twitter handle change. The new pictures come with the text intelligent from within, and there is also a date below it, November 14, 2018. The Exynos name is also in the corner. Numerous sources have indicated that the Samsung Galaxy S10 will come with a SoC named Exynos 9820. There were also plenty of rumors, and some of them seem to indicate that the handset will have a dual-core NPU and an octa-core CPU that will be a tri-cluster deal. We are expecting two Mongoose M4 cores designed by Samsung, 2 ARM Cortex A76 cores and 4 ARM Cortex A55 cores. We already know that the 7nm EUV process of the company will be used in order to manufacture the chip. We also know that the performance is supposed to increase by 20% and there should be 50% less power consumed. A 5G modem will be supported by the new chipset, and this one will be created by Samsung as well. We don't know which colors will be available for the upcoming Galaxy S10. However, it appears that we might have received a sneak peek for them at the Samsung Developer Conference 2018. The company offered plenty of details about its products, including the famous Samsung Galaxy X with a foldable screen. The conference took place in San Francisco, and it has been an amazing source of information for us. However, it appears that we had a chance to learn more than the South Korean company intended. There was a clue that let us deduce the colors option that will be available for the upcoming Galaxy S10. At one point, Samsung revealed One UI. This aims to make one-handed phone use a lot easier than it already is. This can be extra helpful for the people who are multitasking, or even for those who can't use both their hands properly. While this information was interesting enough, it appears that we got even more than that. One Twitter user noticed something during Samsung's presentation. The demonstration also showed at one point how the interface is able to match the colors of the device. There were 5 hues displayed on the screen, and they were not the colors we have for the Samsung Galaxy S8 or S9. Therefore, users are almost certain that we received a preview of the colors available for the Galaxy S10. Based on the image we saw, there should be at least 5 colors: silver, pink, blue, black and mint green. There is no official release date for the Samsung Galaxy S10, but we are pretty sure that we will receive the phone at the beginning of 2019. There is a big chance that the phone will be released at the MWC next year. The event takes place from the February 25 to February 28. If we take a look back at previous releases, we can see that the last Samsung models were released the beginning of the year. Therefore, we would expect Samsung Galaxy S10 to respect that tradition as well. There is even a chance that we could receive the Samsung Galaxy S10 in January during CES 2019. This takes place from January 8 to January 11, but it might be a bit too early for the release. We also don't know for sure whether the phone will be launched as soon as it is unveiled, although that there is a chance for this to happen. There are plenty of leaks which offered us more details about the phone. For example, there was benchmark which seemed to indicate that the Samsung Galaxy S10 will come with a 19:9 aspect ratio. We should also expect a 1440x3040 resolution, which is a small improvement from the previous model. There is even a chance that the upcoming phone won't have any bezels. This speculation is based on an image used by Samsung Galaxy A8. More than that, it appears that the phone does not have any notch either. Apparently, it could be possible by using a screen hole for the camera. This is the design for the A8, but there is a big chance that the Samsung Galaxy S10 might come with the same changes. There was a photo circulating online which was rumored to be the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S10. The image revealed a phone that had almost no bezels or edges. Thanks a lot lot for watching, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. And if you think I should improve my channel, so don't forget to tell me in the comment section below. And bye bye till the next video.